This video will walk you through how to find and assign a test using Performance Matters. The first thing that you'll want to do is log into Performance Matters from ClassLink. When you log in, you'll notice that you land on your teacher dashboard, which is what you see here. From your teacher dashboard, you'll need to click Tests and then Test Center. From within the Test Center, every test that you are able to assign to your students will load. The easiest way to find a specific test is to click the Search by Title or ID box and enter the test title or ID number. The more specific you can be, the easier it will be to find the correct test. I received my test ID number through an email, so I've copied and I'm going to paste it here now. And you can see that it generates the very specific test that I'm looking for. The next thing that I want to do is click on the three dots in the action menu and choose Release Online/Paper-Based. This pulls up a menu of all of my students who are eligible to be assigned this test, and you can see it defaults to selecting them all, which means that it anticipates I'm going to want to assign this test to every single one of my students. From the bottom menu where it says All Classes, I can select a specific class to assign my test, and so now you can see I have 12 students in this specific class who I might want to assign this test. I can uncheck so that I can select specific students to give this test, or I can leave them all checked and then uncheck only specific students. It's recommended that you uncheck any student who is not present on the day that you're giving the test. This prevents them from being able to take the test online and possibly use notes or other help at home. When you're ready, press Release, and this releases the test to the specific students. So now you can see that I have assigned this test to 9 students. This means that when they log into Performance Matters, they'll see this test as a test waiting for them to take. You can then press Close, and then you can switch to OLA Student Admin to monitor the students who are taking the test.